Good morning all of you. Welcome back again in Shri Ganesh online education series. Dear students, today we are going to start revision of chapter number 5th, evolution of mankind. In this chapter what we are going to do, in 3 or 4 steps we are going to cover this topic. Now how we are going to take it? See, first 5.2, 5.1, this point we are going to read because already it is taught 2 times. Revision is also taken 2 times. Now this one is 5th time to take question answers. Okay, see, so here we'll just read topic from chapter from your textbook, and then we are going to solve question answers which are based on that paragraphs. Okay, paragraph wise we are taking here question answers now. Okay, are you ready for this? Very good. So open your textbook, page number 19. All have seen chapter number 5th, evolution of mankind, page number 19. So see here, from Homo habilis to Homo sapiens sapiens. 5.2, Homo sapiens sapiens and civilization. Okay, in the previous lesson we learned that the primitive man evolved from apes. The next step of humans was learning to use their hands effectively to make tools. And now in next step, first in previous lesson what we have learned about apes. Now this one is next step. In this next step what these people are doing, they can use their hands skillfully. Okay, so now here I have written the board. Okay, how I have written with the help of my hand. Okay, if I am able to use my hands skillfully, then and only I can write here. If I am not able to move it properly, then anything I will write here. Yes, that which is not readable. Okay, so like this. So put your finger on page number 19, 5.2, orange color line. Okay, all have to put your index finger. Okay, and after that we are going to see question answers. See, from Homo habilis to Homo sapiens, the skilled human. The species of human who could use their hands skillfully is known as the skilled human. Keep in mind, the species of humans who could use their hands skillfully, known as skilled human. The first evidence of this species was found in the border region between Tanzania and Kenya in the continent of Africa. The scientist Louis Leakey, who discovered this species, named it Homo habilis because besides their fossil remains, he found some tools made by them. In Latin, Homo means man. What is the meaning of Homo? Man. And habilis means the one who uses his hands skillfully. Habilis means what? The one who uses his hands skillfully. Homo habilis could stand on 2 feet and walk. They could stand on 2 feet and they could walk. His spine means our backbone. Spine means backbone. Was slightly bent and not quite erect. It was slightly bent like this. It was slightly bent. It was not erect properly like this. Okay. His brain was bigger and that of the apes, although his face and limbs were somewhat similar to theirs. See, his brain was bigger than that of the apes. More than apes, it was bigger. Although his face and limbs means his forelegs. Forelegs are called limbs. Were somewhat similar to their. Now, the stone tools made by Homo habilis were not useful for hunting big animals. Whatever stone tools he made, Homo habilis, it was not useful to hunt animals. It was used for small purpose only. See, they had limited use such as scraping meat from the skin of dead animals or breaking bones to get marrow. Just to remove skin of dead animals from its bones and to break the bones. For that purpose these tools were used. We can infer from This that Homo habilis was a forager. He ate leftovers of animals and had been hunted by other animals. It is possible that he hunted small animals and gathered eggs. And it is possible that he was hunting small animals and he was collecting eggs, wild fruits, roots for eat. Okay, for this purpose. The question may ask that what Homo habilis used to eat. Then we have to tell that Homo habilis used to eat eggs, wild fruits and roots. Okay. So next point, Homo erectus. These 2 points we are going to see. Homo erectus. Homo erectus makes an important stage in human evolution. Erectus means the one who stands erect. Erect means the one who stand erect. Now I am able to stand erect. Yeah. Or if my backbone it is not working, then I will stand like this or like cows. Yes. So then hence name Homo erectus. Compared to Homo habilis, he had a more developed brain. As compared to Homo habilis, Homo erectus, he had more developed brain. Humans of the Homo erectus species live in groups, and these humans of Homo erectus, they were living in groups. Having seen wildfires, human knew about fire. Having seen wildfires, human knew about fire. It is likely that Homo erectus had learned the technique of fetching the burning branches of trees to use that fire. What he learned? To fetch those branches to burn the fire. During its time, most of the earth was covered with ice sheet. Most of the land was covered with ice sheet. Therefore, the climate was extremely cold, and so the climate was extremely cold. Homo erectus could survive in that extremely cold climate because he had learned to use fire. He learned to use fire. However, he had not yet mastered the technique of making fire, but he did not get the master technique of getting fire. Tools made by the Homo erectus were more developed and symmetrical compared, and it was symmetrically compared. Symmetrical means, see, suppose I have shown you a triangle. Triangle. Okay, these triangles, if I made here 2 portions, this part is symmetrical to this part, means similar. Okay, both parts are equally divided, that is called symmetrical. So their tools were also symmetrical in their shapes. Homo erectus made tools like the hand axe. Homo erectus make tools like hand axe. Remains of Homo erectus have been found along with his tools in the continent of Africa, Asia and Europe. Okay, so this much we are going to see. Now see, dear students, now we have to focus on question answers. See, for the better education, practice is more important, and if you want to get better education, you have to do more and more practice. Then and only it is possible to get proper knowledge. Okay, so look at the screen. See, 5.2, from Homo habilis to Homo sapiens sapiens, the skilled human and Homo erectus. These 2 points we have seen now. Okay, all are able to see properly? Very good. See, so question number 1, fill in the blanks. First one, Homo is a Latin word which means man. Homo is a Latin word which means man. Second one, dash is a Latin word which means the one who uses his hands skillfully. Who uses his hands skillfully. What do we say to that word? Habilis. Very good. The first evidence of skilled man was found in the border region between Tanzania and Kenya in the continent of dash. So what is the answer? Africa. Okay, keep in mind where it was found, in Africa. Then Dada discovered the Homo habilis. Yes, scientist name is there. Who discovered the Homo habilis? Louis Leakey. Okay. Here also in technique we can make one trick. Discovered Homo habilis. If we want to discover something, means it is lock. Okay, and for the lock purpose we need key. Yeah, to open that lock we need key. So Homo habilis, his information. Who opened this information? Louis Leakey, and for that purpose he need key. Okay, Louis Leakey. From that key we have to keep in mind Louis Leakey. Okay, understood? Now fifth number, dash means the one who stands erect. Dash means the one who stands erect. What is the answer? Erects. Simple. First word and last word both are same. Erects means the one who stands erect. Okay, understood? Very good. So now next one, this side. During the times of Homo erects, the earth was covered with ice sheet. Question may also ask that at what time or at which time the ice was covered, the earth was covered with ice sheet. So you have to tell at the time of Homo erects, the earth was covered with ice sheets. Understood? Very good. See, Homo erects made tools like the dash. Homo erects made tools like the hand axe. The remains of Homo erects and his tools have been found in the continent of Africa, Asia and Europe. Okay? Do you understand this much? Very good. If a particular question, if you are not understood, then you have to read that question again and again, so you will get it understand. Okay? Now question number 2. Answer in one sentence. Answer in one sentence. Who is said to have first made tool like a hand axe? Who is said to have first made tool like a hand axe? See, Homo erectus is said to have first made tools like a hand axe. Here only we have seen. Okay, that only answer. Then next, what is heredity? What is heredity? Answer is heredity is similarity in appearance and health characteristics of human beings to their ancestors. Ancestors means in Marathi Purvaj. Okay, understood? So like this 2 points we have completed here. Dear students, remaining part tomorrow we will see with new question answers. Okay, so but what before that, what we have to do? You have to write down all these, filling the blanks and answer in one sentence in your notebook. Okay, in neat and clean handwriting, and all that handwriting you have to send me on schools group as a today's EVS second homework. So understood? EVS second homework today's, all these things you have to write in good and neat and clean handwriting with your pencil. Okay, you can write with pen. You are in standard 5th, so you can write with pen also, no problem. But if your handwriting is dirty one, then you can use pencil. Okay, choice is yours. So thank you very much.